So, exercise 2C, question number
12 and 13.
12 and 13. Any other question?
No, that's
Sir,
it.
can I say?
Wait, I'll come again. Ashish, tell me.
For 12th one and 13th one.
Okay, then Bhanupriya, tell me.
Sir, I just couldn't understand the second one. What? Just explain.
Verify, acha, second one. Okay, then is Vishal. Now you have raised your hand for the very first time.
Sir, I'm using a different device, that's why.
Okay, tell me your question.
Sir, 12, 13 and 14.
14. Okay. Any other doubt anyone has in
Sir,
2C?
14, sir. 14.
14th are written, yes. Any other? No. So first I'll tell second question. Verify the division algorithm for the polynomial. This ftx is given and gx is given. Verify the division algorithm for the polynomial. What you have to do? You simply divide it the way you divide px by gx. Okay? And then remainder theorem, you replace the value with -2. Both you show it.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
12th question. Why 12th question?
Sir, I understood now.
Understood now, Ashish?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, gone. This gone. 13th question. So 13th question is the polynomial. I'll write it. Polynomial. Px is equals to 2x cube plus x square minus ax plus 2, and I'll take another polynomial gx. 2x cube minus 3x square minus 3x plus a when divided by gx. Gx is x minus 2. Leave the same remainder. Find the value of a. When you divide this px by gx, whatever remainder you get, and when you divide qx by gx, both remainder are equal. This is a simple question. This divided by this, whatever remainder you get. This divided by this, whatever remainder you get, both are equal. So we'll apply remainder theorem. So gx equals to 0, that is x minus 2 equals to 0, so x is equals to 2. So we got the value x is equals to 2. Now replace in px 2 into 2 cube plus 2 square minus 2a plus 2. 16 plus 4 minus 2a plus 2. 20 plus 2, 22 minus 2a. This is its remainder. Now qx remainder. So I'll put q 2 into 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus a. 16 minus 4 is 12 minus 6 plus a. So
A minus 2.
a minus 2. So they are telling that both are equal. We got this remainder. Both are equal. So we'll put what we'll do. 22 minus 2a equals to a minus 2. So this will go here. This I mean will go 2a minus a equals to minus 2 minus 22, or minus 3a equals to minus 24. This is gone. A is equal to
8.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 13th gone. 14th. Please write it. Those who couldn't solve, please write it quickly. Done? Anyone who has not written, tell me.
Sir, wait, sir.
Okay.
Sir, wait, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay.
Sir, just 1 minute, sir.
Okay, okay.
Last.
ठीक है.
Sir, done.
Okay. The question is, just understand the question first. Manish, did you understand? Manish,
Sir, your voice is.
Manish, there is some problem at your end. Okay, the 14th question, the polynomial px. So px I will write, px is equals to x to the power 4 minus 2x to the power 3 plus 3x to the power 2 minus ax plus b when divided by x minus 1. Gx I'll take x minus 1 when divided and g dash x I say x plus 1 leaves the remainder. Remainder here it is 5 and here remainder it is 19 respectively. Find the value of a and b. Find the value of a and b. Hence find the remainder when that is second part. So first we have to find the value of a and b here. When you divide this by this, you get remainder this. When you divide this by this, you get remainder this. So what we have to do it? First, gx equals to 0. So x minus 1 equals to 0. So x is equals to 1. Now this value will replace here in px. That is p1 equals to 1 to the power 4 minus 2 into 1 to the power 3 plus 3 into 1 to the square minus a plus b. Any doubt? 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus a plus b. 2, 3, 4, 4 minus 2, 2, 2 minus a plus b. So this is equals to what? This is equals to what? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
This is equals to what?
Sir, the remainder
The
5, I
remainder.
guess.
Anybody else? Manukia, you were answering something.
Yes, sir. So the first one would be the equation 1.
Which equation?
The 2 minus a plus b is equal to 5.
So you agree with Siddharth? What he's telling, 2 minus a plus b equals to 5.
So A minus
Wait.
A plus
You
B.
tell you me. Is it correct?
Sir,
Sir,
it's
I
equal
think
to
it's
0.
correct, sir.
Wait. I'll come, Siddharth. I'll come. First, let me talk to Bhanupriya. Tell me, is it correct, Bhanupriya?
Yes, sir, because they say that the reminder for them is 5 and 19 respectively.
So this is correct. Correct?
Yeah,
Yeah, your voice is not so like that you are telling. You are in some mixed opinion.
No, sir, that's what even I have written.
Okay, good, Siddharth. That's the correct equation. So we can say that b minus a equals to 5 minus 2. So b
Which is
minus
equal
a
to
is equals to 3. This is equation 1. Now second I'll go. Gx, so here x plus 1 equals to 0, x equal to minus 1. Siddharth, come online.
Sir,
X is equals to minus 1.
yes, sir.
So now what we have to do? P minus 1 should be equal
So
to what?
P minus
tell me,
1
tell me,
equals
tell
to
me what is.
19, sir.
Yes, correct. So we'll replace minus 1 to the power 4 minus 2 into minus 1, 3 plus 3 minus 1
Yes, sir. By substituting mine.
minus
Yes.
a minus 1 plus b. Correct? Anything wrong which I did?
No, sir.
Okay. So this will be equals to 1. This will be equals to minus plus 2. This will be equals to plus 3 plus a plus b, or 6 plus a plus b. We can write like this. So a plus b, can you write it as 19 minus 6, a plus b is equals to 13. Can you write like this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Everyone,
Yes, sir.
what I am doing, is it clear? Anyone has any doubt, please raise your hand. Please raise your hand. Any doubt what we are doing here? This is px divided by gx, remainder 5. We replace the value with 1. Replace here. So it should be equals to 5. Equated. Got this. Here same thing we did. We got a plus b is equals to 13. So equation 1 and 2. So a plus b equals to 13 and b minus a equals to 3. Or we can say minus a plus b equals to 3 and a plus b equals to 13. Can we write like this?
Yes, sir.
This gone. 2b equals to what? 16. b is equals to 8. And a will be equal to, we'll have to replace the value a here. b 8 minus a is equals to, replacing b in equation 1. So 8 minus a equals to 3. So a is equals to 8 minus 3, 5. Please, everyone understood? Please
Yes,
raise
sir.
your hand. No, please raise your hand. Those who have not understand this. Everyone, is it clear? Strange. No hand, so good.
So last step, can you explain once again?
Which one? This
Last
one?
step. Yes.
This one?
Before that,
This one?
from
Ye
there,
wala?
from there.
So here, did you get how we took a plus b is equals to 13? This step you are talking?
Sir, after that.
After that. So this and this equation is clear how you got?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will do it again. I'll write b minus a equals to 3 and second equation is a plus b equals to 13. Correct? Correct?
Yes, sir.
3.
Yes, sir.
Now, here we are adding both the thing. I'm just rearranging. This equation 1 so that it is clear to you. We can do it here also, but for your clarity, I'm writing equation like this. Equation 1 like this. Is it clear how I wrote it?
Yes, sir.
And equation 2, a plus b equals to 13. Correct? Adding both the sides, this, if we'll add it, this minus a plus a gone,
Yes, sir.
b plus b is 2b,
2b is
equals 3 plus 13 is 16, b is equals to 16 by 2 is equals to 8. So we've got b is equals to 8. Now replacing b in equation 1. So equation 1 is what? B minus a is equals to 3.
3.
We have got the value of b. 8
8
minus a is equals to 3. So a is equals to what?
5. 5.
5.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Anyone? Any doubt? Good. So to see, after this, I think to see you don't have any doubt? No doubt. So going back to 2D, once I'll say 2D doubt, so I think many hands will come up. So I'll say like this, first 10 question in 2D, first 10 question, please raise your hand. No doubt, very good. 11 to 20. Yes, tell me, Ashish.
Sir, in the 14th one, which the question you were doing currently, in that you left out the last part.
Acha, yes, I left out the last part. That's good. So tell me, Ashish, what we have to do for the last part?
So you have to take G2, you have to take it as G, the next, you have to take G2x is equal to 0. You have to
So the last part says, find the remainder when px is divided by x minus 2.
Yes, sir.
We have got the value this one. So what is this px? How can we write as this px? Px we can write x to the power 4 minus 2 x to the power 3 plus 3 x square. Now what is the value of a? 5. So we can write it 5x. And what is the value of a? We can write it as 8.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Any doubt anyone has? Now, they are telling find the remainder when this is divided by x minus 2. Like they are telling px, so since we have taken this px, so we'll take another one gx. Gx is x minus 2. So they are going to find the remainder when px is divided by x minus 2. What we will do? Yes, Tejal, come online.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me. The question is, last part of the question is, find the remainder when this is px is divided by gx. Find the remainder. What will be the remainder? What we'll have to do? Tell me. Hey, wait, Siddharth. Yes, Tejal.
Sir, we have to find it by remainder theorem.
Yes, correct. Tell me what to do. Tell me here, Tejal, why you won't find it, the solution there. Tell me here what to do.
X.
Sir, we have to
I'm doing it. Note it down. This is the answer. And it does not need any explanation. Two D, first 10 question, no doubt. Nobody has raised their hand. Okay. 11 to 20. Please raise your hand. Yes, Vishal, which question?
Sir?
Which question, Vishal?
Sir, 19th and 20th one.
19th and 20th. So question says, hope you all have written this. Nineteenth question. If x cube plus ax square plus bx plus 6 has x minus 2 as a factor and leaves the remainder 3 when divided by x minus 3, find the value of a and b. What we have to do, Vishal, in this question, the px is given.
Sir?
X cube plus ax square plus bx plus 8. This is px. And gx, if we write it, x minus 2. This is the factor of this one. Means what? Remainder will be 0?
Yes, sir. Remainder will be 0 if this is a factor.
If this is a factor, remainder will be 0. So what is the value of x? Who is trying to tell? Manish, are you trying to tell something?
Sir, could you just repeat the first line?
Repeat the first line. The question is, if x cube plus ax square plus bx plus 6 is a factor of x minus 2. So, what will be the, what can we form an equation? X minus 2 equals to 0, x is equals to 2. So, P2 should be equals to 0. Remainder theorem, since it's a factor, so P2 will be equal to 0. Find the value of P2 first. 2 cube
2.
plus a into 2 square plus b into 2 plus 6.
8. 4a plus 2b plus 6. 14. 14.
Who is here? Can you please mute your mic? 2a plus b equals to minus 7. Any doubt? This is the first equation. 2a plus b is equals to minus 7. This is the first equation. Now it tells when divided, the remainder is 3 when it is divided by x minus 3. So let's suppose g dash x is x minus 3. When you divide with g dash x, the remainder is 3. So px, sorry, just hold on a second. Px minus 3 now. So P3 will be 3. Correct? This is what it is telling. The remainder will be 3. Right? Am I clear or I'm just doing it? Prithvi, am I clear what I'm speaking?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
नहीं here तो ठीक है लेकिन but what I am explaining, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Vishal, this is your question. Please be online.
Yes, sir.
So P3 is equals to 3. So we'll replace 3 cube plus a into 3 square plus b into 3 plus 6. 27 plus 9a plus 3b plus 6, which is equal to 3. 9a plus 3b equals to 27 plus 6, 33. Other
30.
side it goes minus 30. 3a plus b equals to minus 10. Is this equation second correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So you have two equations. Equation 1, 2a plus b equals to minus 7. Second equation, 3a plus b equals to minus 10. So subtracting 1, 2. Subtracting 2 from 1. So what it will be? 2a plus b equals to minus 7. 3a plus b equals to minus 10. Sign goes. So gone. Minus a equals to what it will be? 3.
3. Yes, sir.
3, 3.
3, sir.
A is equals to minus 3. Is this the
Minus
answer? 19. Yes. Minus 3.
Thank you, sir.
And
Thank
then
you, sir.
you have to replace this value a in either equation, replacing a in equation 1. So 2 into minus 3 plus b equals to minus 7. Minus 6 plus b equals to minus 7. b equals to minus 7 plus 6. b equals to minus 1. Please note it down, those who have
Okay,
not
sir.
solved. Written.
So 1 minute.
Done, sir.
Okay. So now 20th question. Question is, okay. 20th question is, find the value of a and b so that the polynomial, the given polynomial is exactly divisible by x plus 2 and as well as x plus 3. Sorry. 20th question, different one. Find the value of a and b so that the polynomial, the given polynomial is exactly divisible by x minus 1. X minus 1 as well as x minus 2. Who all have done this question? Raise your hand. Okay, three of you. Okay. Yes, Aditya, come online.
Yes, sir.
So find the value of a and b so that x cube. So I'll write it pa x cube minus 10x square plus ax plus b is exactly divisible by x minus 1 as well as x minus 2. X minus 1 and x minus 2. Yes, tell me, Aditya, how to do?
So we write gx is equal to x minus 1,
Okay,
which is equal to 0.
which is equal to 0. Equals to 0, x minus
X
1
is
is
1.
x is 1. Okay,
And we take x minus 2 equal to fx.
okay, fx,
So x minus 2 is 0 equal to 0 and x is 2.
correct. Okay,
So
now,
first we substitute 1 to px.
yes. So p1 should be, we'll substitute it. So 1 cube minus 10, 1 square plus 8, 1 plus b. So 1 minus 10 plus a plus b. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So the question is find exactly divisible. So what to do now?
Now this is equal to a plus b minus 9.
A, so we have to equate it now. So it is equals to minus 9 plus a plus b, and since it is exactly, this is exactly divisible by this, so when you
This is
replace
equal
this
to
value
0.
it should be equals to 0.
0.
So minus 9 plus a plus b equals to 0, so a plus b equals to 9. This is equation 1.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt anyone has? Now tell me.
So now we substitute 2 to x in the first equation px.
Which it should be equal to 0, correct? Because this
Yes.
is also exactly divisible by this. So
Yes, sir.
P2, we can write it 2 cube minus 10, 2 square plus 8 into 2 plus b. 8 minus 40 plus 2a plus b. So we can write minus 32 plus 2a plus b, which is equal to 0, correct? We'll make it 0. So 2a plus b is equal to
32.
32. This is equation 2. So
Yes, sir.
what to do? 2a
So,
plus b equals to 32 and a plus b equals to 9. So we'll
Yes, sir.
subtract it, correct?
yes, sir.
Sign will change. Gone. 2a minus a. This is our subtraction, minus. 32 minus 9.
23.
23. A is equal to 23. Replacing a in equation 1. So 23 plus b equals to 9. B equals to 9 minus 23. B is equals to
Minus 14.
answer.
So I did it through a different method.
Which method you use?
So in the first equation, a plus b minus 9 is 0. I took b equal to 9 minus a.
B equals to
9
9
minus
ठीक
a.
है, and you replace here, same thing.
Yes, sir.
I mean, once you learn two variable, after this chapter factorization and then linear equation two variable, same thing. What you are doing is actually this, or whatever I say, what I am doing is also that way. So both are same. You are replacing b value here and then getting the value of a, right? Same
Yes, sir.
thing. But the way we are doing it, you are going to learn it in linear equation two variables. I mean, after this factorization, then linear equation two variables. Understood? So between 21st to 26, any doubt? Between 21st to 26, no doubts. Wow, good. Acha, Aristan, Bhanupriya, Rashri, acha, you have. Tell me.
Sir, the 22nd one and the 26th one.
22nd and 26th. Yes, anybody? Aristan?
25th.
25th. Okay. Then Rashmi?
21st.
21st. Rashmi?
Sir?
Rajshri. Your doubt.
Yeah, that's all.
21st.
So I have doubt in 22nd, sir.
22nd I have written. So these 4 questions, nothing else. Okay. 21st, 22nd. So what is 21st question? Now I will give you hint. You have to do it. 21st question. Find the value of a and b so that polynomial this is exactly divisible by x plus 2 as well as just now we did 21st question. Rashmi?
Sir?
28th and 21st is same question.
Okay, sir. I'll
Just
try.
see.
Yeah.
28th question and 21st question is same. Only the digits are changed.
Okay, sir.
Give a try by yourself.
Yeah.
Now, then I'll go back to 26th question. Bhanupriya, na? Bhanupriya, you asked me 26th question.
Yes, sir.
Use factor theorem to prove that x plus use factor theorem to prove that x plus a is a factor of xn plus an. What you have to do, Bhanupriya? I'll do one thing. If I'll make it x to the power 2 plus a to the power 2, what you will do? What is the process? I just want to know, understand how you can prove that this is a factor of this.
Sir, by factor theorem?
By factor theorem. So every question you are doing the same thing. Since a has come, then you got confused. No. X plus a equals to 0. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
X equals to minus a.
Yes, sir, I asked the 22nd question.
26th question you have asked. 22nd and 26th both you have asked.
Oh, yes, sir.
So x minus a. Now this minus a you have to replace here. Minus
Yes,
a to the power n plus. So what is this? Minus a n plus a n. Can we write like this?
Yes, sir.
This gone? 0.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So since it's a factor. Now Aditya, come online.
Yes, sir.
Why they have written when n is for any odd positive integer n? What does this mean?
So if n is an odd natural number, then p to the p minus a is 0.
P minus a.
Yes, sir.
This one.
Yes,
No.
sir.
Tell me, come again.
If n is an odd natural number, then p to the p bracket minus a is equal to 0.
Okay, p bracket minus a equals to 0. Okay, if it is an even, then
Then it is not equal to 0.
why it is not equals to 0? That is my question. Why it is not equals to 0 when n is an even number? When n is an even number, why p to the bracket minus a is not equals to 0? This is my question. Any okay, okay. Now Aditya, I pass this question to all. Anybody please raise your hand who know this answer.
Sir, could you just repeat the
Wait.
question?
Sir,
The question is, wait. Yeah, Aditya, tell me.
a negative number to the power odd number is equal to 0.
Negative number, what is the statement?
Sorry. A negative number to the power of odd number is negative.
Correct. So why this is not equals to 0? You are almost close, Aditya. Anybody else can give a try. He is almost close, but he has not pinpoint. Anybody who can pinpoint.
Sir, like a negative number with a odd power.
Hmm.
Sir, this is because it's like -1 multiplied by -1
Hmm.
multiplied by -1. So
Hmm.
-1 multiplied by -1 gives 1. And
Hmm.
multiplied by -1 gives us -1.
Correct.
So
Agree.
when it's odd, it's
Hmm.
always a negative number, while when it's an even number, it
Hmm.
turns to be positive.
Okay. ठीक है. Then why this is not equals to 0? You are correct. Why it is not equals to 0?
It's not equal to 0.
Aditya said P bracket minus A is not equals to 0 when n is an even number. Right, Aditya? Aditya?
Sir, yes, sir.
Correct. So for this question, why it is not equals to 0? And if
Sir,
it is not equals to 0, then what is the value? If it is not equals to 0, then what is P? Tell me, what is P for n when n is a even number? When n is even. You said n is odd number, so it is equals to 0. Okay, I agree. So, but when is n is an even, what is the value? Anybody, please raise your hand.
Sir, is it something with quadratic equations or something?
No, sir, nothing quadratic or anything. It's straight away. I have written it on board.
Sir,
Anyone can figure out.
sir, if the number is even, then both the number, for example,
Tell me
2
the answer,
square.
Aditya. Now tell me the answer.
Sir,
Yes.
will it be a to the power n only?
No.
2a.
Sir,
No.
Z.
Sir, 2a to the power n.
Yes. It is 2a to the power n. Because when you are replacing here p minus a and here minus a to the power n plus a to the power n, and when n is an even number, this will become positive. It will be an plus an is equals to 2an. Understood? Why n is an even number? So minus 2 in minus a into minus a square. Minus a into minus a into minus a into minus a to the power 4. It is not negative, it is positive. But when n is an odd number, it will be minus a into minus a into minus a. It will be minus an. So minus an and plus an is equals to 0. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
You were almost close, and finally you only answered. I did not answer. You guys only answered. Aditya answered. Anupriya, very good try, and you are also very close. For rest, is it clear what is even, odd, and how it happened? These things will come now. Even, odd. Okay. So left out these two questions, 22 and 25th. I want you to try, and then tomorrow I will discuss. One thing, second important thing, before tomorrow's class, everyone is supposed to revise factorization of class 8. I'm not going to teach you how to do middle sum splitting. I've already taught you. I'm not going to tell you a square plus minus b square is what, or a plus b is whole square is what, or a minus b whole square is what. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Today's
Yes, sir.
homework
Yes,
is
sir.
factorization of class 8. Do the revision. Okay? Prithvi,
Yes,
Prithvi,
Yes, sir.
you can take away your book.
Sir, now.
No, yeah, I'm here only. No, you can come after the class.
Okay.
Understood, everyone? Tomorrow you don't ask me, sir, how you have done this splitting and all. I don't know. No, you are supposed to know, because higher order question will come. about the retest, it will be on Sunday only. Okay. So practice it. And those who have got less than 20 who has got 20, you're not supposed to write. Till 19. Those who have got till 19, they are supposed to write the retest on Sunday only. So prepare well. And after that, if still you are struggling, then I'll take a call, what I have to do. Clear? Homework and everything clear? Now, one important thing. What you did in science class, the student is present in this class, and I know. I don't want you to confess in front of everyone. One-to-one you confess. And tell me that you are not going to do it again. Otherwise, I have recorded class. After this class one, at the evening, I will go and I'll check. And I'll find it out. So it's better that I find and come back to you, rather you come back to me. Say, sorry, I will pass on this message to the girl. I'll not tell your name. I'll not tell anyone your name. For sure. It will be between you and me. Confess it and don't do it again. And if you are not confessing it and you are not coming back to me, I will get back to you then. And then that will be something else. That I'm telling you, that will be something else. If I'll get back to you on that. So it's better that other way around you do. And it should not be repeated again till you are with me on my platform at my institute. You know, and guys, those old guys know it very well. When discipline comes, how strict I am. I enjoy, I crack jokes, but not at the cost of somebody's respect. So it should be very clear to you what I want to say. And this is something I don't tolerate at all. So it's okay, first time you have done it, I will accept, but you have to come back to me. Still you feel that if you don't come back to me and I cannot find it out, you know it very well, I can find it.
Sir, what happened, sir?
Don't bother. Have you done something?
No, sir.
No. Okay, okay. Thanks for the day. Go and revise 8th class factorization very properly, because factorization is not only 9th and 10th also. It will continue. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, can I come after
Thank you,
6?
sir.
You can come
Thank you,
after
sir.
that. After that.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.